Mr. Taylor. He asked us, he came to our shop a while ago. We helped him out with some things, and he asked us if we wouldn't mind coming to the school to do a little course or a class for them. And he texted me a couple days ago. Well, we're here at the Mullin Highschool. We're going to teach some of the students and some of the teachers on how to use the Go Fab CNC Table, how to make files in Inkscape, and hopefully it goes well. It's our first time doing anything like this. So.
Heck yeah, rock on. We're excited. This should be very fun. I can see our table already over there. We're just gonna go check in with the front. I think we gotta get stickers for our names.
Official.
Official.
So we went over there. We wanted to show them how to use the Go Fab table. Ryan was giving them tutorials on Inkscape.
Yeah, we put him a test. We taught him how to do the Inkscape first, create a sign, and then turn the sign into G-code, and then transfer it over to the tablet, and then cut it out on the table with the correct settings. And they did really well, didn't they?
Yeah, it was a really cool experience. We've never done anything like that, so
it was really fun, and I hope that we get to do it again with other people and other groups. Not only did we teach them a lot, but they taught us a lot too on how we function and how we teach people on
how to do things differently as well. Like there are definitely some points that I probably could have covered a little bit more. There was just so much going on. It was the first time I've ever done anything like that. I high-five the camera.